Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where the 20th hidden missing store is that you need to rob in GTA Online in order to get the achievement for robbing all 20. So this is Trevor's liquor store inside of the single player game. It's Liquor Ace, and if you go on the map, it's located over here hiding underneath of this Ron quest chain here. In the middle of Sandy Shores, kind of off to the west side. It's right here. And it's got this mission out front of it, which takes precedence over the fact that it's a store, which is why it doesn't show up on your map properly. So all you have to do, just pop up inside, point this, and, you know, just get him to give you the money. Yeah, you can. Go faster, bud. So yeah, to rob this place, you just gotta shoot up the place until he goes fast enough to get you your money, and then make a break for it, and get out of here. And then all you gotta do is lose the cops, and you should have your achievement. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. This has been a brief look at how to finish up getting the achievement for the robbing all of the stores inside of GTA. It's a quick and easy achievement to get. Just because all you gotta do is pop in, shoot up the store, and then they'll give you what you need, and you can go about your day. Some things to keep in mind is it's not a particularly great way to make money, so I wouldn't hyper fixate on it beyond the achievement. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.